It is compact.
Oh!
What's up, guys? I'm John.
I'm Isaac.
And today on Cars and Cameras, we're starting a brand new build. But honestly, I don't know that it's gonna work.
I don't think so.
We have a cozy coupe built by Little Tikes. I had one of these things. I rode around one at church when I was a kid, and it was awesome. And I remember them being a lot bigger than this.
Yeah, I remember riding around in one.
We're gonna take this thing out of the box, see if there's any way we can fit inside it, and if we can, of course, we're gonna be putting a big engine on it, building a chassis for it, so on and so forth.
Yeah.
So let's open it up.
I can't wait to see what's inside because it's so small. Oh my. Hey man. Oh, there. I was about to say, what happened to the smiley face? There it is. Oh goodness. It is compact. Oh, oh yeah. Wait a second.
No, dude. No.
Man, my butt can't even fit in. I can't even look at the door. I'm sitting down in it. Oh, the door's opening. Oh man, it's like me with longer sideburns. Wait a minute. I got an idea. Will the top fit on now? Dang it, Bobby.
Oh man, you're not gonna be able to get out.
What?
So how is this gonna work, dude?
I don't think it is. I mean, look at it.
We grabbed our Rat Rod Radio Flyer wagon to compare to the Cozy Coupe just because they're sort of similar in size. The Rat Rod wagon is our OG build. Go check out the series if you have not yet. I think I can see something working here. You looking at the size difference?
It's the same width.
Same outside width.
But the seat, if we wanted to have a nice...
I think we figured something out. It's awesome. So we may change up the wheel and tire size a little bit, but this is kind of a general idea of what we're going for on this build. And it's really gonna be a sister to the original Rat Rod wagon. I'm excited, I'm ready to do it. So we have some square tubing we're gonna start off with. We went to the store and bought some, and we also have some that we've had laying around that were old shipping containers. Here are the options. We have that, which is kind of what we already had. We had a flat approach, and then we had gasser, like we were originally thinking we were gonna do. I don't know that I like gasser, man. I think I want it like that. It looks like a freaking Hot Wheels car, and it's awesome.
I think I kind of like that better.
Yeah. Here's a rough outline of what we want the Cozy Coupe hot rod to look like. We decided to nix the gasser idea. Just with the size and the shape of the body, we don't think a gasser chassis would look great underneath it. So most of the parts we're going to be using are from GoPowersports.com. Spindles, hubs, wheels, tires, axles, brakes, all that stuff can be bought at gopowersports.com. Whether you're doing maintenance, you're making upgrades, or you're building a vehicle from scratch, Go Power Sports can hook you up for your go-karts, mini bikes, and all kinds of other power sport equipment. So be sure to check out these parts at a link in the description of this video, and don't forget to enter Go Power Sports monthly in-store credit giveaway. Let them know that Cars and Cameras sent you. We're also using a device we refer to as a magic box. We have one on the Rat Rod wagon. It is awesome, but we're gonna test the limits of what one of these things can handle. We bought them from the farm supply store for like maybe 125 bucks or something like that. Awesome upgrade we made to the wagon, and it'll really come in handy on this project too. Without any further ado, it's time to channel the body.
Yeah.
The body's been channeled. We like where it is. It's time to weld. Also, we are using a borrowed gasless welder today just for tacking purposes only. The regular workshop is being used as a paint booth right now for my C10. So once all that's finished, we're going to take this project over there and get everything welded up properly. But for now, just tack time.
We have the Tillotson 212 sitting there just as a placeholder. We're thinking of doing the motorcycle engine, ATV engine, something with gears. We'll see.
I'm thinking hand controls.
I don't know if there's no room for feet, dude.
You know what? What if we were to put a couple of pegs coming out?
And you put your feet on the outside?
And here's where I'm sitting.
Oh, mama.
Okay.
The odds are whatever engine we go with is going to be bigger than what's on it right now. I'm thinking we may have to chop the face off and put it on the front, just kind of like a 32 hot rod or something.
We can give it a shot.
Yeah. I'm just talking out loud. This thing is definitely a work in progress still.
I just said this is the best worst idea yet, and he could not be more correct. It just looks good. It looks awesome from the front. It looks even better from the back.
Ike actually has a lead on another engine, so we're going to be looking into that this weekend. And it's bigger than a 550.
Yeah, it's going to provide more than what we have there. It's got exhaust,
Carburetors,
charging
intake.
system. It's got everything. So it'll make our job faster.
That's right.
So I'm sure a 550 will show up in a future build as soon as we find all the parts that we lost.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. For real.
They're around somewhere.
Yeah.
So yeah, dude, if you find them, put them somewhere.
You got it. But for now, we're just going to weld on the axle hangers.
Alright dude, so now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take the axle out, set the body on the frame where we want to, and then I think I have some hole saws that we can run through the bearings into the plastic body.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So we have a lead on an old Kawasaki 700, so we might be grabbing that. And if it'll fit, because it has the exhaust, wiring, coils, charging system, carburetors, everything, if we can make it fit, I think that's the way to go, because we're going to have a lot of time in getting this old 550 to work, and money. We had got the rear axle mounted, looks awesome. Body is sort of kind of mounted, not really. Next time we're going to be working on the steering and try to get a rolling chassis. It's so good, dude. The Cozy Roadster. the Cozy Coupe rat rod. I mean, give us a good name, guys. There's one out there.
I just like the Cozy Coupe rod or
The Cozy Coupe rod. Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, it's so cool. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, guys. Leave a thumbs up if you are psyched for the Cozy Coupe hot rod. And yeah, let us know a name, of course. Support the channel by picking up a t-shirt or stickers or a hoodie at cars-cameras.com. Check us out in between videos on Facebook and Instagram at Cars and Cameras Reviews.
Check me out at Isaac. It'll be fine.
And thank you for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Steering, rolling chassis.